Game 2.
It's game over for you.
It really is game over for me.
Holy shit.
Jesus.
Effect. Search.
Yeah, when a factory lets you search one?
Yeah, when they use their effect.
If you don't win this, I'm gonna slap you. I drew that bad.
Let me see.
Look at this.
Holy fuck.
This is terrible.
No, wait.
Go.
Yeah, that's really bad.
Oh, it got a little bit better.
Let me see. Oh.
Another duality. Sense 2. I want that.
That did get better.
Oh, you would draw with
Did Heavy Storm needs to come back?
So is his attack permanent?
No, it's only to the face. And I can't use the effect anymore.
It's game 2, guys. It's game 2.
Wind up silver.
Hey guys, you're all waiting up.
Oh, you missed me reckoning extreme.
Drawing tour guide.
What's your record? What's
Oh, should I say Thunder Kings against you?
No.
Yes.
Yeah, you should.
I don't side deck, I don't own side deck here.
Okay.
Game 3, okay?
You should love being
Game 3
here,
side deck. Yep, game 1.
Okay. Such
Joey! Joey did. Drawing hard alone. I'll support the finals. I'll support the finals.
I will too.
attack.
I just want to record this because he's top 8 with wind up.
Wind up edition. Let me see this again.
Yeah.
Joey, did something very inactive do anything for you?
I haven't even summoned it to do anything. That's a goddamn 2,000 defense league.
Weirdo sucks. Take 100?
Yeah, I just shushed you.
Summon forward.
What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do?
Retarded is what this is.
He's a scammer.
God damn it, Brian.
It's a scam.
Attack.
And it adds one, right? Or no, you gain attack.
You just gain attack. Good? Search. Search. Side deck is gonna hate you. Triple Thunder King. Well, it's so easy to side against. Actually, I don't know what you side against that, like than Thunder King.
Especially what the hell does that thing do?
He just gains 2 stars and 600 attack for the answer. You see? Okay.
Sorry. So I'm at whatever.
He wants to win.
Iris, Keeper of Genesis. Wait, Philip, show him the beetle.
Attack.
Okay. Do it, Brian. Do it. Double horn? It's kind of good. Go.
It's pretty good.
It's a minus still. Joey, did you open broke?
Here we go.
Every time I play you, I can see you play.
That's not very good.
Always set 4. Cool. Effect. Search.
Is this special summon him? Is that what this does? Or no?
This just searches.
That just lets you search. Okay. I get it.
It would suck. Plants are so bad. They're gonna ban
Also goes level 5. And this does what?
down to 1. Read it. It's a lot.
It's long.
It's really good.
Can I be destroyed by card effects?
Attack. 900?
Oh, me.
Yes.
Should have 1 Tengu left. Oh, it was my next card. Jesus. Where's my touch?
I just use this.
Effect? Destroying Tengu. That's your last one.
Just make sure here. Okay.
Go.
Don't you get his effect? Did you?
What?
Oh, you used his effect to get Tengu?
Yeah. Destroy Tengu. So you can't do a bunch of shit. Your turn.
Oh, that is so good.
You don't take.
That is so good.
After this.
What game?
Oh, you would have it.
Okay.
What's 5? 6,000?
Okay.
Whoa, balls effect.
It's like that. Oh, much
You
too
were
much.
at-
Do it, chow.
5,000, I'm at 6,000.
Thank God he doesn't have
6,000?
enough token either.
Yeah, dude.
Shooting Oh no. Gotta go Trish.
So on it. Can you win this?
I don't even know what any of this stuff does.
It has something to do with flipping them.
Oh yeah, that's all I know.
Yep, same.
Jesus. What, this?
Does it really matter what he removes?
And you didn't set any Tax 1-7.
Yep.
Go ahead.
Let me read this card.
Just have to look up
It's kind of good.
What makes the deck?
Yeah, that's kind of good. I mean, you know.
And that's the thing that fucking
Flip a monster,
grabs and removes,
get their
right?
effect. Yeah.
So
Like a
you
DD
still take
Warrior lady?
1,000?
I take 1,000. Effect.
Add one. This is so fucking retarded.
So does this deck
What are you at?
does the deck generate just a lot of
23?
+1s off of the effects?
Oh my god.
Yeah, you just use their effects, search, and then exceed. And you can go into Tyrus easily.
It's pretty good.
Not bad.
Oh, you're supposed to do prison TGs.
Dude. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
No, it'd be the bad play.
It's a bad play. It's not cool. I don't like any one of those.
Yeah, I hear that's a good card sometimes.
Sometimes.
Yes. I hear it's pretty good.
And then you couldn't win.
I do too.
Oh,
It's pretty good.
it's just another play you could have did, but now you can't do it.
Make a third tier.
You get the pretty one.
I go.
So you take 600. Your turn.
Go ahead.
18. Go.
Goes up front.
18.
Fly.
26. Do it, Bright. Do it.
For the attack.
Going on a box of Naruto with me? Your turn. Play.
What are you at?
Start.
I'm good.
Start today. Enlist now.
So gay.
Yeah.
Right, if I played Naruto, I totally would do it. But
You play Naruto. 100.
good, Ian.
And you're good.
Pot of axe.
You know they have to or something.
What?
No, like special summons and defense ones, right?
No, I can return one card. One set card.
Can I just record this?
Oh, okay.
No. Summon. No.
Can you record
No.
this?
Activate. Effect?
Come on, Taylor. Everybody's doing it.
Effect? Why is he so cool?
I don't know. Come on, right?
It's the cloak.
I just hated how we haven't seen them in ages.
Yeah, probably.
Come on, Brett.
What happened to Kakashi? He was supposed to go on a rampage and then
First name, still?
Come on, Brett.
It'll happen.
I don't have anything. I don't have any more
He
monsters.
got jumped into his oblivion. They're getting jumped into different.
Yeah, they never showed the land. I was told they're going to show it in the Shippuden and just skip it. Makes sense.
I go.
But yeah, I was pumped for that.
I'll bounce that too.
36.49.
Go. I like nothing left. So gay. Come on, Phil. Come on.
Attack game. Attack.
You would draw a monster.
What is this?